Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this book. It's called like Things I Wish I Knew in My 20s. Something like that. I forgot the exact title, but we're about to see it now. My bad. It's called What I Wish I Knew When I Was 20. International bestseller. Heard good things about this book. Alright, here's the back. Alright, so it's written by a professor at Stanford. Pretty large text, about 200-ish pages. Let's see. Yeah, just at about 200. Here's the author, Seelig. Alright, that's the book. What I Wish I Knew When I Was 20. Alright, gonna get started reading this, even though I'm not 20 anymore, but heard it's a good read no matter your age. So, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll let you know what I think about the book once I finish it. Cool, talk to you all later. Bye.